Welcome to this exploration of one of nature's most remarkable instruments, the human eye. The eye functions as a sophisticated biological optical system, capable of capturing light from the world around us and transforming it into the images we perceive. Throughout this presentation, we'll discover how the eye focuses light with precision and creates the vision that allows us to experience our environment. Think of the eye as a living camera, constantly adjusting and adapting to bring the world into sharp focus. The human eye operates as a remarkably sophisticated biological lens system. Its primary job is to refract, or bend, incoming light rays so that they converge to form clear, focused images on the retina at the back of the eye. What makes this system truly remarkable is that it doesn't rely on a single lens, but rather employs multiple transparent structures working in perfect harmony. Each component plays a crucial role in manipulating light to achieve the precise focusing power needed for clear vision. This coordinated effort allows us to see the world in stunning detail. Four main transparent structures work together to focus light in the eye. First, the cornea serves as the primary refractive surface and provides approximately 67% of the eye's total focusing power. It's the clear front window of the eye. Second, the aqueous humor is a transparent fluid that fills the space behind the cornea, maintaining proper eye pressure and nourishing surrounding tissues. Third, the lens is a flexible structure located behind the pupil that provides variable focusing power through a process called accommodation. Finally, the vitreous humor is a gel-like substance that fills most of the eye's interior, maintaining its shape and ensuring light travels through a clear optical path to reach the retina. Let's trace the journey of light as it travels through the eye. Light first enters through the cornea, where it undergoes its initial and most significant refraction or bending. It then passes through the aqueous humor and through the pupil, which is the opening in the center of the iris that controls how much light enters. Next, the light is further refracted by the crystalline lens, which provides fine-tuning of the focus. The light then travels through the vitreous humor, which maintains optical clarity throughout the eye's interior. Finally, the focused light rays converge to form an inverted image on the retina, where specialized cells begin the process of converting light into neural signals that the brain can interpret. The eye's focusing power is measured in units called diopters. The cornea alone provides approximately 43 diopters of refractive power, making it the strongest focusing element in the eye. The lens, when in its relaxed state, contributes around 17 diopters of additional power. Together, the total optical power of the human eye is approximately 60 diopters. It's fascinating to note that the cornea, despite being just the front surface of the eye, provides the majority of the focusing power. This is because light undergoes the greatest change in speed when it transitions from air into the much denser corneal tissue, causing significant bending of the light rays. Accommodation is the eye's remarkable ability to change focus between objects at different distances. This is accomplished by changing the shape of the lens. When viewing distant objects, the ciliary muscles around the lens relax. This allows the lens to be pulled into a thinner, flatter shape with reduced curvature, providing less focusing power for objects far away. Conversely, when viewing near objects like reading a book, the ciliary muscles contract. This releases tension on the lens, allowing it to become thicker and more curved, which increases its refractive power. This automatic adjustment happens seamlessly and allows us to shift our focus from distant horizons to nearby details effortlessly. After passing through all the refractive elements, light rays converge on the retina to form an image. This image has three important characteristics. It is real, meaning it's formed by actual light rays converging. It is inverted, meaning it's upside down, and it is diminished, meaning it's smaller than the actual object. The image forms precisely at the focal point on the retina, which is located approximately 24 millimeters behind the lens. Interestingly, although the image on the retina is upside down, our brain automatically interprets and corrects this inverted image, allowing us to perceive the world right side up. This neural processing is just as crucial to vision as the optical focusing performed by the eye itself. The retina contains two types of specialized light-sensitive cells called photoreceptors, rods and cones. Rods are responsible for detecting light intensity and provide us with night vision and peripheral awareness. Each eye contains approximately 120 million rod cells, giving us excellent sensitivity to low light conditions. Cones, on the other hand, detect color and provide sharp, detailed central vision in bright light. We have about 6 million cone cells per eye. These photoreceptors perform a crucial function. They convert light energy into electrical signals that can be transmitted through the optic nerve to the brain. This conversion process, called phototransduction, is the bridge between the physical world of light and the neural world of perception, allowing us to experience the rich visual environment around us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.